There's something effortless, heart melting about a bunny's cuteness. Bunnies doesn't try to be adorable, it simply is in the most natural and pure way. Bunny acrylic painting isn't just about technique, it is about capturing innocence, warmth, and a quiet sense of wonder that instantly connects with anyone who sees it.
Hello friends, my name is Mohini Sinha and I'm from India. And most of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. I mostly do nature related painting, mostly related to nature.
So, in this class, we will be learning complete bunny painting, starting from how to mix and make the perfect match of colors, how to mix the perfect color which we have used in our painting, like that of the background colors, then how to use the details of using the brushes, then comes how to do the blocking part, how to paint with flat brush the blocking, then the fan brush details to create some nice furry textures. Then comes the blocking of the bunny with the darker and the lighter colors using round brush, then giving some nice line textures, some nice furry textures to the entire painting, and finally the final steps of creating some shadow effect to the bunny. So this is how we will be completing the entire painting from scratch to finish. So let's start with this cute little bunny painting, and I'm so excited to share the entire process with you guys. So let's start with it.